Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the home weather office on this Tuesday morning. It is the 28th day of October, the 28th day of November, 2023. The year's flying by. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the home weather office. And as I look out the window of the home weather office, it's bright and sunny, but another cold morning. Temperatures in the area were 1 or 2 degrees warmer at sunrise than what we saw yesterday. Still plenty chilly morning with some scattered frost here and there. We're likely going to see warmer overnights as we go through the rest of the week. We'll get more clouds, a little bit more from the wave of breeze, and all of that combines to make for warmer overnights, but the daytime highs are going to get a little bit cooler. Let's show you what is going on this morning. We have mainly clear skies throughout California. A couple of high clouds drifting by here and there, but the main feature is this low spinning around out here. Yeah, it's another one of these little cutoff lows that's cut off from the main storm track. And this is going to bring some areas a chance of a few showers tomorrow morning. Not many and not much, but some areas may see a little rain tomorrow morning as this slides down the coast. So with that in mind, let me show you the NAM, the North American model. And so here is that system. This is tonight at 4 o'clock, this afternoon at 4 o'clock. There's that low here. And then we are still under mostly sunny skies. And as we go through the overnight, that low begins to move toward the coast. This is around midnight tonight. And then this is around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Rain in the Bay Area, nothing in the valley, nothing in the foothills, nothing in the Sierra. This rain could be moderate if you do travel into the Bay Area first thing in the morning or into the Monterey County, Salinas area, then you will be finding some rain at sunrise, maybe a couple of tenths of an inch of rain. But this low is not coming inland. Instead, it's going to slide down the coast. So watch what happens. Again, this is 7 o'clock in the morning. A couple of hours later, that rain dissolves. Now, while this model doesn't show anything in Sacramento, Stockton, or Modesto, I wouldn't be surprised if there's an early morning sprinkle, let's say in Stanislaus County, but I think that would be about it. And then as we head into the afternoon, all of that is gone, and we'll actually get back to some good amount of sunshine. On Thursday, there could be another little wave going by. This is Thursday afternoon. The model's been hinting at maybe getting a couple of snow flurries in the Sierra, and this is Friday afternoon. Let's expand the view here a little bit and look at the GFS, which goes out farther in time. And this is that same thing on Wednesday. This one picks up on that Thursday afternoon a little bit, but this would be snow flurries in the Sierra, not enough to impact travel. This is Friday, dry. This is Friday afternoon. So what you see here is dry. Little system up here. If we are going to see a better chance of some showers, it would be Saturday. This is Saturday at 7 a.m. Some light snow in the Sierra and maybe a couple of showers going through the valley and the foothills like here. This could be, if this is true, and this is Saturday around early afternoon, this could be a couple of inches of snow, and certainly low enough because it's going to be cold enough that we might get chain controls for a short period of time. You know, we get 2-3 inches of snow. We may see some chain controls on 80 and 50. I'm not saying we're going to, but we might. But this is just, this isn't anything to write home about. It's just something passing by. And then this is Sunday, and this is what I want to point out, is notice where the rain here is on Sunday. It's, let's say, from north of Butte County, and that's where all the activity stays. Really nice activity up along the Oregon state line and into Oregon, and that's where everything continues to go. And the model's been pretty consistent with this lately. So look at just how close that comes to us, but it misses us. And I'm going to show you something a little different this morning. Let's look at across the Pacific. And what I'm going to show you here are 200 millibar winds. So this is well up into the atmosphere, but these are the steering currents. And just for perspective, I know there's a lot of squiggly lines on here. The California is right here. Alaska is up here. The Aleutians are right in here. So what you're looking at are wind speeds, and these are this area shaded in blue. This is 180 knots, if you will. Areas in green show much lighter winds. Here is that little cutoff low. Now watch how that dips down and just kind of dissolves. But what I want to point out is what happens to the jet stream beyond that. And I'll get into the day on Friday. This is Friday morning. So here is the jet stream across the Pacific. It's just screaming across the Pacific coming in this direction. It was a little cutoff low down impacting parts of Hawaii. But this is what I want to point out is the direction of where the jet stream is heading. It's heading into the northwest. And as long as we have this sort of a pattern with all of the dynamics heading into the northwest, all we get is this relatively dry north flow, and we do not get rain. Actually, into early next week and Sunday, this model showing ridging, and that once again steers the jet stream off to our north. And what you need is to, if you really want to have some good activity in Northern California, so here's where the jet stream is here. This is getting into early next week. Once again, heading even north of the Seattle area, but that's where all the action would be. And Northern California doesn't get any of that. So this is one of the other tools that we look at is just where all the activity is out here in the Pacific and how it's moving and where it's steering everything. Because if you don't get anything steered at Northern California, well, there may be a shower or two from time to time. You don't get substantial rain. You don't get significant rain or snow. And now that we're ending November and getting ready to head into December, we don't really have much in the way of snow in the Sierra just yet. It's getting time. It's getting time we need to start doing that. And right now, we just don't see anything significant on the horizon to bring us some good snow. So a couple of passing systems the next few days will bring us chances of a couple of showers. We'll talk more about that as we go through the next couple of days. In the meantime, that's everything I've got for you this morning. I will be all suited up and on TV at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11 tonight, and back here again first thing tomorrow morning. Oh, and it's Tuesday. That means there'll be a Facebook live chat tonight at 8 o'clock for those of you that like to partake. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.